with child's pose, it's squeezing muscles. Squeezing muscles of your own arm. You're using your arm muscles, squeezing. That's child's pose. In this one, there's nothing like that. Here, it's peso de cuerpo. Here, it's body weight. You'll be leaning with your whole body, con tu cuerpo entero, hacia donde estás yendo. Okay, so first is, if she's sleeping, si está durmiendo ella, okay, or quizás es possible. Remember, acuerdas, yo no quiero ser ninja, right? Yo no quiero da, and like, wow, okay? Because this, terrifying. You think this is scary? Si alguien está casi durmiendo and you go like that, forget it. They're in the ceiling, okay? So, to not do that, para evitar esto, yo usually say, hello, here. Here, I'm here. Now she knows somebody's here, okay? So now she knows somebody's here, then somebody comes and touches the feet, it's fine. You understand? Okay, so that's first. So the first touch is that. Now I come. There's two ways to do this, dos formas. Una es más simple, pero necesitas más espacio. Es esto. Pero cuando tienes este espacio in a room? Never, okay? Pero I'll show you to the technique. And then I'll show you más conservation of space. Okay, si puedes. Okay, en todos casos it's thumbs in. Thumbs in, okay? And you're gonna put your thumb donde encaja, wherever it fits. And then lean your whole body straight to the wall hacia frente. So you're leaning straight, inclinando hacia frente. Not down, straight forward. And it's leaning with the whole body. It's not, no es apretando mis dedos. No, it's not this. ¿Ves la diferencia? This versus this, that. The difference is 2% versus 100%. And the difference is bad quality versus good quality. Okay? So in este caso, we're going to be leaning. Okay, so now to kind of this de nuevo. Say hello with the foot. Come, thumbs in. Okay? Now we're going to come and lean. Cuando estamos mirando la cara por el cuerpo de ella para reacciones. Estamos buscando for like anything, like or the ear moves or the finger, that anything means you went too deep, too fast. Okay? So it means back off. ¿Entiendes? So you're looking for reaction. If there's no reaction, it means they like it. Okay? Or it means that it feels okay. ¿Me entiendes? Reaction means too much. So I'm looking no reaction, that means she's fine. And I'm fine with that, and then I'm done. Okay? And then I'll sweep off like this. So I'm here, sweep like that. It's specific. It's not it's over. Okay? So that's with a lot of space. Okay? Now I'll show